we are going to bake a cake. An OLiViA cookie. Pero her mom's asking about the butter because she forgot it. So we're using my butter. And then I'm gonna talk like I was talking to the camera. No! Wait, let's maybe Levi? Probably. Let's think. I am going to announce the whole world who's texting. Well, like 2 people. Okay. Yeah, you already do, remember.
It is Levi!
I can't believe it! And unfollow his Spotify playlist because we all know my Spotify is 250 grams. And if I want to get the perfect amount, then I can cut off about that much and microwave it. Welcome to Baking with an American and an Ecuadorian. There will probably be some kitchen fights. And fires. But don't worry. My dad's a firefighter, so we're good.
We're probably going to destroy everything. Why do you feel like we introduce like our story because we have to?
I was born in a small town.
Our story was that then I went to home and I met our friends. And then Cadence entered the school. So I was like, we were all excited, like, oh my god, there's going to be a gringa kid.
Yeah, I know, because when I pulled in to drop my sister off, because she started school first,
We were like,
I was sitting in the front of Ben, and she goes,
and when you arrived, we were like, oh my god. Like, we stalked you.
Yeah, I know, because I was very, like, self-conscious at the time, because everyone stared at me, because I'm obviously a little bit
You were
different.
like this.
I saw everyone staring at me, and I was, like, kind of used to it, because, like,
We like immediately like barged into class because Miss Margaret was showing her the class, and like when she was finished, I just like started. Hi, I'm literally in English. Hi, I'm LUCCiANA. What is your name?
and I was like, oh, you speak English? And you were like, yeah. And I was like, okay, well, make sure to tell me if I need to talk slower, and make sure that you understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, make sure to tell me. I can understand for myself.
Oh, you can't talk.
I can talk, but don't turn around because she makes me nervous. Because she's always like, entonces ahora vamos a ver en español. ¿Qué te parece? What? We were out there, and she said, oh, I said, do you have the ingredients? And she said, yeah, in my phone. The sugar, the flour,
I don't know how
the baking soda, which she did not. And she's like, yeah, I have them all in my phone. Look at this. Because she was the lead singer, but then I came along, and now we're a duo. So.
Yeah. Oh, you microwave it. It has to be creamy. Watch me.
Okay, so you put this here. That creamy and butter.
No, that is liquid.
Butter. Okay, the sugar. How much sugar do we need?
How many cups is
600 grams.
300. How do you know that?
Put the first one.
1 cup enough and 1 4.
1 and 1/4. Okay.
Okay. And I was super safe.
Why did I put in water? Why did you put in water? Don't put those things. I literally used to make money off of baking, so I don't know what happened.
I love baking, so I have baked a lot.
Yeah, but she did not know how to use the mixer the other day. That's good.
That's not a 4th cup.
No, it's because it's approximate.
No.
Vanilla.
How much vanilla do you
1 teaspoon.
LUCCiANA Potter living her way.
I got this. There we go. That's as good as it's gonna get. Ice? It's not gonna work. It's gonna make it more liquid. Well, then why don't we just freeze it? No, but if we put it in the freezer.
Para mí tú siempre vas primero. Yo soy discreto, pero igual te quiero.
You can't even see it when it's in my face.
Is it fair? Is it fair?
I'm putting that in. And I'm sending it to you know who.
Shut up. I am over him.
We don't need salt and baking soda. How much baking soda? One teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Oh yeah, that would be a disaster if we put a full teaspoon. I already added it.
Tic-tacs and brownies every single day. White out in her pocket, she's ready to play.
Oh, but it's soft and buttery.
Ha! Look who's smart now. You have to sift it.
What?
Do this. Here, no, you mix. I'll sift it. You keep mixing. The show must go on. I look like that meme right now that's like when knee surgery is tomorrow. Look. You have had cake in your hair.
What?
It's been in this whole time.
Hates hot dogs, that's what she'll say.
Why does it look blue?
No, bro. Because when you put it in the oven, it's gonna go dark.
Here, look.
No, but when you put it in the oven, bake it, it's gonna go dark.
Laughs at your jokes with a wink in her eye. Always got that white out ready to fly. LUCCiANA Potter living her way. Tic-tacs and brownies every single day. White out in her pocket, she's ready to play. Hates hot dogs, that's what she'll say.
Songs. OLiViA Rodriguez, the little Mexican girl that be crying.